มีหน้าตาเป็นแบบไหน
What have you just done?
I signed up for the Luang Prabang.
The Luang Prabang half marathon. There he goes.
Yeah, I didn't see enough of Luang Prabang, so this is a way because I have no idea where any of these places are.
This is also uphill, just so you know.
Yeah, it's very much uphill.
These shoes?
Yeah, they'll do. No socks. Could have took time to train, but life's always about balance. So, chin chin. It's the best pre-run ritual you can do. Is have a few cocktails, go to bed.
And just see what happens.
Just, I hope you can do the first 5 kilometers at least.
I'm definitely having regrets now. It's 4:40 in the morning in Luang Prabang and I gotta get ready to run a half marathon. My legs are sore from yesterday because we walked up some stairs. What a fucking stupid idea. However, look at that. It's a running top. A hat for runners. And I got like cargo shorts on, but they're close to running shorts, so practically the real deal. But jokes aside, legs are killing me from walking up the stairs yesterday, so this is really not a good idea. But yeah, it's not. There's not even setting up the morning market, so it's warm as well. I forgot, you know, it's in Southeast Asia, so it's hot here. So we're gonna follow the music, find the start, and win this race. I'm doing this for Walter and Callum. For every time they go, oh, show us your titties, Paddy. No, no more. And then I'll be the one laughing at you sitting on the couch. Do the truffle shuffle, I'll say. It's the motivation I need to get me through this.
I can't believe you're doing this.
She was here to the support, because what else would she be doing at 4:50 in the morning? Oh, she's coming for the start and then
Midway and for the finish, that's it. Because I don't have his location, so I'm going to try and
just guess whenever we're back, because we don't know how big the city is. We don't know how long the run's going to take.
we don't know how good your condition is.
It's not good. I think 10k is successful enough. 10k is when we say like, okay, that's not embarrassing.
Yeah, the rest is.
Yeah, but it is a half marathon. All the runners are here. I think I might be the heaviest person in this country. They're also lightweight. They're gonna sprint by me so quickly. So we see all the pacers. So I just gotta find which pacer is the slowest and then follow him. We've seen it.
We've seen 2:45, but you try and go for that one and then see.
2 hours 45. What an athletic performance this is gonna be. Not a clue what they're saying. So I've got like an hour of songs downloaded and an hour of just David Goggins just to shout at me, and then that's gonna get me through it. That's cheating. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit nervous now.
See all people warming up.
Everyone looks like they're out to break records. People don't look like they're ready just for a fun run.
He's not comprehending this.
Oh. The tunes are getting me going. This is all I need. I don't think I'll water halfway through this. Surely a bottle of water somewhere around it at least. What she said.
The yellow t-shirt, that's where or who you're going to be following. No.
Yes! Woo! This is what I want to hear. And see you back. We're gonna count down. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
All right. Don't even think we're a kilometer in. My legs are feeling it. They're feeling it. Just gonna follow the guys with the balloons. The balloon guys. Kilometer 2. I was hoping we were at least 5 in. My knee's full. These kids should be in bed.
getting bright. And it's getting steep.
It's now 6:30. The city is very alive. So basically I was there at the start to wave him off, and then I went back to sleep. I did not sleep because I found this life tracker so I could sort of see where he was going, more what pace he's going. And I think he's doing pretty good. So I'm on the way now to like so many people. It's the morning market. I'm going to find him at like this 2/3 point where he's switching laps, and we'll see. There's all like fish and chicken laying around. It's 6:40, guys. There's people eating full meals of... Ooh, that does look nice, the pastries. At the spot now, and I just saw number 155 go by, which is a guy who's 35th and Paddy's 85th. So I think I'll be staying here for a little bit. So I'll be coming from here. They haven't blocked any roads, which is crazy. But yeah, keep you updated. Okay, you got this. Let's go. Woo! I just got handed these. It's drenched. Oh, my love. But he's doing so good. So Paddy has given his phone to me. So there's no more videos from him now. So I'll take it over from here. I'll pretend. No, I'm not. But he's on 1 hour 27. He does 14k. And like, this is not a marathon where it's all flat. This went up. I'm just gonna go back, put this stuff back, and then I think I'm gonna go on hunt for a smoothie because he will kill me if I don't bring that to the finish line. But the city is so alive. It's like it's 10 in the morning. It's crazy. And it's a dog. They pretty much mixed all the groups. They all left like 50 minutes after, so there's people like coming in for any kilometer now. So this is the app. It doesn't refresh the spots really, but here's Patrick. It's my favorite. And he's got to the 16. Oh my god. That means I have to hurry up, I think. First place I went to was closed. So I was bad. But I found a place a little bit further. I can still see like if he walks past us. There you go. For me it's nothing, but you know, Paddy's gonna be very happy. Best finisher of the marathon. He did a whole 7k. A lady just asked for a picture with me. That was funny.
Thank you.
You did it!
Yes. Come on.
How was that?
Oh, I thought I'd get like a beautiful view of Luang Prabang. I just looked at my feet and cried for 2 hours. But this isn't sweat. This is water.
And sweat.
It's like 1% water, 99% sweat. But got it done. Luang Prabang half marathon.
2 hours, 9 minutes.
It's not terrible.
Really good.
Considered I don't run. I like to drink. Although I haven't drank too much beer. Mainly cocktails, so that's... We have
It
tried
was
it
a
as well.
stupid idea, but you're lucky that it turned out well.